Hello. This is about um, the Steam Power Purity Pure Water Mini Classic. Um, was having issues with the leaking water. After I verified leak, I'm gonna tell you what happened here. After you check the O-ring in the back, make sure that O-ring that goes inside this container, it's okay. And then fast forward, I checked everything and I didn't know it was going to be this problem here. You can see that right now it's clogged. I have to shut this down. I don't know if you can see that, but water is overfilling. So the filter that I have in there, the filter, it's the culprit of why it's clogging. It's not allowing for water flow. So that's my problem. See that? I'm right to the rim. So make sure that you have a good filter that's clean and it's not clogging the those holes inside this plate here. So yeah, it was coming on the edge here and falling way down and filling out, and it just did some water puddle all over my floor. That was the issue. I think it's still working fine. I can always operate without the filter, but check your filter. As you can see on this picture here, right there, you see the particles floating on the top of the water. I ended up not using the filter. I kept trying to clean it with distilled water, and it kept showing signs of, particles floating on top of the water. I mean, these filters only last for 3 months after everyday use. I run this machine constant all the time. So, yeah. I will use it without the filter. I'm confident that the water is coming out clean. I'm able to test it too. Okay. Look at the filter being cleaned by the pure water. I don't know if you see those particles. Hard to see. Oh, right there. Now you can see it. There it goes. See it? It's right on top of the water. It's getting blurred now. Again. Right there. See it? That's on top of the water. It was clean, now it's dirty because of the filter being in there. All the particles is just floating right on there. I ended up not using the filter. The filter, it's no good. After showing signs of breaking down and dirty in the water, I was able to test the water. I've tested the water clean and then sent it through the filter, and instead of coming out clean, it was coming out dirty. I had like a 0.001 particles per million. So even though that's not that bad, I still don't want to use it. I'm gonna send it through a carbon filter anyways, which guarantees that if anything, it's gonna come out clean. You can see the marks here. So I don't need this. And I'm showing you this right here, but look at this. You see those holes? It lines up with those. That just looks like a lot of use right there. I'm breaking it down right now to see if I can use it, but after doing all this, it was coming out dirty. coconut. That's what this is. Oyster and coconut. I still get zero. The water becomes pure coming out through here, but this is just an extra security, you see, in case gases does through go. I will buy the filter much later date, but I can use it like that without the filter. I have confidence that is clean water coming out from it. So as long as you know that your water is coming out clean, you can test it. I would recommend buying the filter for extra security in case any gases does pass by. That stops it. Let me show you. I'm operating without the filter. Inside there on the filter cover, I'm using it without filter, which is a oyster and coconut, they say. I think it has carbon too, but I'm not sure. But anyways, it has failed. After 3 months of use, you gotta buy a supply of it. They recommend, and it's also extra security in case any gases does not escape. This should be the last attempt to stop it on its track. But I haven't gotten any issues. I do test it. I'm gonna show you what I do. Once it comes through here without the filter, I then take this whole container and I dump it into the top of this zero water, and it comes with a filter. See that? And it comes out nice and clean. That's my extra security right there. It comes with a digital tester. It tests for particles per million. The water pitcher is amazing. It comes for $38, I think it is, 40 bucks. It comes with the filter, and this digital tester at Walmart. Quick, hopefully you can see this. I'll explain to you. This is the Mini Classic steam powered purity of pure water. Awesome machine. Expensive. I've seen them brand new for $600, used at $300, $200, $300, $400 used. I bought this one used. I think I bought it on Facebook for $250. Still works like a charm, and honestly, it brings pure water to my family. I love the taste of it. If you can get a hold of this little machine and get pure water, distilled water, I mean, you're gonna have a good drinking water source for your health. Okay. Now, what you see on top here is the picture, Zero Water. It's called Zero Water right over here, and you can get this one in Walmart. Now, I gotta say this, and I hope this is gonna be benefit to you. If you don't have the money to buy this Mini Classic, if you can get $38 and buy this in Walmart at the filter aisle section, you're gonna be also amazed. It's the only one I found that can provide you with pure water. Not too many companies will sell their product with a digital tester that tests for particles per million. This is the first product I bought before I bought this Mini Classic. So I tell anybody that wants to drink clean water, go for this picture. It's in the Walmart section, okay? It's called Zero Water. Alright, I still use both. Why? Because even though this is giving me clean water, why not put it on here and I still can get more water retained in the room temperature. So after it's done, after 3.5 hours, I got that much water in this glass container. I go on here and I dump this. Now it's clean. Honest to God, this is clean water, but it's still going to be clean anyways when it goes through this zero water. That's how confident I have with this zero water. And I always test it anyways, and it shows clean. Okay, I don't want to overspill it. And I can go ahead and run this machine again. I fill it up. Take this container, the reserve water container. So I already filled it up with water. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it back on there. This is the reserve water area where it boils the water. It connects to the electricity and it steams through these orifice tube here, and that's how you get your water. It imitates, the pure water from the earth. You gotta put this nice and tight in here. This is along the rubber is sealed right onto the top here. You don't want no steam escaping from here. And put it back in here. Connect it. Push it in. That's connected. Close it. And turn it on. Okay. Now I turned it on and I'm fast forwarding. The machine is now running at an hour later. This is how much I have right now. I'm using both to reserve more water. The bucket is used, and if you don't have the money, I recommend this one up here, okay, in Walmart. I do have a new filter. Use this new filter. I'm gonna have to pass it through the machine with distilled water first time, and then I can use it. But right now I'm using without the filter. Once it comes down here, I'll use it, put it up on top of here. In a later date, I'm probably gonna, upgrade to a better system. I like this company a lot. I recommend, if you could get this machine, get it, because the best thing is drinking pure water. The family and I, we've been drinking pure water. It's going to be over a year, and no problems, absolutely no problems. It's not how they say, that pure water is going to kill you. That's if you don't eat healthy, right? If you don't take nutritions into your body, then yeah. But if you're eating healthy, let the pure water clean you, right? Why not? Water should not be the supplement of nutrition. Water should be, to hydrate you and to clean you. Let it be the source of cleaning your body. Alright? Look, be healthy, drink clean water, best thing. Okay? I hope you benefit from this one. Alright? Have a good day. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.